Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I thought today I would do something food related because I got such a good response on my online Walmart grocery shopping video. So I thought I would get together 5 healthy recipes that I love. I love when people give me their recipes and I love Pinterest. I just love trying new recipes. So I thought I would share mine with you. If you guys like this video, then maybe I'll do more in the future and maybe I'll like actually cook and like show you what they look like, but I'll probably just like insert pictures of what the meal looks like to show you guys while I'm reading these, because most of these are from like Google or from Pinterest. If you guys are interested in trying any of these, I'll link all of them in the description box. So if you guys can't like keep on with this, then yeah. So the first recipe that I love and I make all the time, my mother-in-law makes it all the time, and it's called Hawaiian Meatballs. You can honestly Google this if you guys don't want to try this recipe. It's everywhere. It's really good. It's actually really easy to make. I just get a big bag of Homestyle meatballs. You can get like organic, do whatever you want, but just get meatballs for it. Don't get like Italian because it will taste all Italian-y. You just want like plain meatballs. Like I said, you can get like organic, whatever. And then you need rice. And I use either quinoa and brown rice or white rice. Just depends on my mood. But you can get like the little bags of quinoa brown rice at Walmart or whatever grocery store you go to. They're just like easy. Pop them in the microwave for 90 seconds. They're healthy. You need sweet chili sauce, or if you want to make your own that's sugar-free to make it even more healthy, here's the recipe for that. You need red chili. You need 2 tablespoons of red chili. You need 2 teaspoons of ginger chopped or powder. You need 2 teaspoons of garlic cloves chopped, ½ cup apple cider vinegar, ½ cup powdered sweetener, sugar-free, so like Splenda or stevia, ½ tablespoon coconut aminos, or I just use low sodium soy sauce. You need ½ cup of water, a 1/4 teaspoon of xanthan gum or flour or cornstarch, and then I always use broccoli. You don't have to use greens, but I like to throw in greens. I always throw in like broccoli. So yeah. Anyways, after you do that, you want to just pop your meatballs on top of your rice. Put a little bit of that sweet chili sauce, or you can put soy sauce, and it's so good and it's healthy and you get everything you need. For another meal, I like to make honey garlic pork tenderloin. This is like a really good Sunday dinner. If you want like a good family Sunday dinner, this is something I would really recommend. And it's healthy, it's yummy. So for this recipe, you need 1 pound pork tenderloin. You need 1 tablespoon garlic salt, 1 tablespoon garlic pepper, 1 tablespoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon fresh thyme, 2 tablespoons butter, ½ cup of honey, a 1/3 cup brown sugar, 1 tablespoon minced garlic, ½ cup low sodium soy sauce, a 1/3 cup orange juice, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, and a side of asparagus. So I love this recipe so much. It's delicious. I don't know why I'm going through and telling you guys all the ingredients, but I just wanted to let you guys know. You need to mix your garlic salt, garlic pepper, onion powder, chili powder, fresh thyme, fresh rosemary, mix them all together, and then you just want to like douse your tenderloin in that. Then you're going to pop the 2 tablespoons of butter on your skillet. Then you're going to put the tenderloin on the skillet. While it's on the skillet, you want to just boil up all the other ingredients, the ½ cup honey, 1/3 cup brown sugar, minced garlic, low sodium soy sauce, orange juice, cornstarch, and yeah, you're gonna mix all that together until it kind of gets a little bit thick. That's what the cornstarch is gonna do. It's gonna help thicken it up. So while that's thickening up, you want to cook all the sides of the tenderloin. I usually do like 3 to 5 minutes per side on the tenderloin. And then I want to preheat the oven. I think in the directions it will tell you exact heat that it needs to be at. And then after that, you want to pop it in the oven, continue to cook it in there. Make sure it reaches its temperature, and then when you're done, you pop on all that sauce, that good, and then put it back in for like I don't know, 5 to 10 minutes. Glaze it, make it kind of crispy-ish, almost like super gooey, and then pull it out and serve with asparagus. It's so delicious, so yummy. Okay, number 3, this is a really easy one too, especially if you have a grill outside. You can obviously use like an air fryer or your oven. This is the lemon chicken drumsticks. This is delicious and it's super healthy. For this recipe, you need 8 chicken drumsticks, 2 tablespoons fresh lemon juice, 2 tablespoons fresh or diced oregano, 2 garlic cloves pressed and chopped, 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil, 1.5 teaspoons kosher salt, 1 teaspoon grated lemon peel. So for this recipe, it's really easy. You just get a gallon-sized Ziploc bag, pop all the chicken drumsticks in there, add all of those things in there. I like to add a little bit of extra lemon juice and a little bit extra oregano and a little bit of extra salt just to make it pop. And then I put a side salad, I put it on the grill until the chicken's completely cooked. I like the chicken to be a little crispy on the outside, but it's delicious. I let it soak in the bag anywhere from like 2 to 8 hours. It just depends on like how quickly I want to eat it or if I want it to soak in and get yummy. That's a good recipe. Okay, number 4, this is my Chipotle Shrimp tacos. These are so good. If you want to make this like more low carby, you can. You can like substitute whatever you want. But for me, when I do low carb, I get low carb tortillas, but you can obviously use like corn tortillas, normal tortillas. Then you can get grilled shrimp or fried shrimp for this. I always get fried shrimp, but we just made them grilled shrimp last week and they were pretty good. But yeah, grilled shrimp. You need sour cream. I use light sour cream. You need 3 limes, and then you need the chipotle peppers in adobe sauce. I believe that's how you pronounce it. And shredded cabbage and cilantro. So easy. You just mix the sour cream. I squeeze in a whole lime, and I kind of grate the outside of the peel and then kind of let it go in. Put the cilantro in and squeeze out a little bit of that adobe sauce, the chipotle sauce. Mix it all together. Put it on top of my shrimp in the taco. And then put some of that shredded cabbage on top. Squeeze a little bit of lime. And it's so good. So good. If you want like a side of black beans, you can do that. But we usually just do the tacos and they're so delicious. Okay. Guys, are you bored? I am. Okay, number 5. We use this recipe all the time. This is our chicken pad thai recipe. It's delicious. It's peanut, so if you are allergic to peanuts, don't use this recipe. But this is our chicken peanut pad thai. You need a 1/4 cup natural peanut butter, if you want to make it healthy. A 1/4 cup low sodium soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, 2 tablespoons brown sugar or honey, 1/2 teaspoon chili paste, 1 tablespoon rice vinegar or apple cider vinegar, 2 garlic cloves, a 1/4 teaspoon ground ginger, 3 tablespoons water, and an 8-ounce package of Thai noodles or angel hair noodles. We like the Thai noodles. We've tried the angel hair and we don't like it as much. But for this recipe, it's so freaking easy. You literally mix everything together except the noodles. So what you do is you just literally follow the instructions for the noodles. Have those to the side, drain them, do whatever you need to with the noodles. And in a bowl, you don't even have to put this on the oven. You literally just mix all of these ingredients together and then just pour it on top of the noodles and you're good to go. If you want to just like heat it up on the stovetop, you can, but that's all you have to do. We like to kind of chop up some peanuts, put it on top, a little bit of green onions on top, and use some chili paste, and it's so good. Like, so freaking good. So there you have it. There are 5 healthy recipes that we love to use. If you guys have any recipes, comment below. I love new recipes. And yeah, I hope this video was fun. I'll link everything in the description box below if you guys want to try these out. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.